Hi guys, welcome to the workshop, and today I wanted to share with you a really quick tip when you're using a dado stack on your contractor table saw. Alright, as you can see, I've got all of this tape here, and the reason is because normally when I'm using this with any other saw, I've got this insert here, and unfortunately with my saw, I don't have a really good way of making a zero clearance insert. You could do a nice table saw sled and cut whatever dado, but I really don't want to do that. Just as something really quick. So what I did is just went ahead, taped up all of the space here, and then left only open this. So when I cut it and turn my vacuum on, it's going to not let anything blow up here. It's going to suck it through. I did this once before putting this on, and I had dust all up in my face and said that was not a good idea. So I wanted to share with you this really quick tip on doing that, and I hope that it would actually help you out. Alright, well, I hope that quick tip kind of helps you out. It definitely helps me out. And if you kind of wonder what I'm doing this for, it's actually because I'm doing a remodel series, and I'm right now working on the cabinets for my laundry room. So if that's something that's interesting to you or you find interesting, go check out my channel. Check out the playlist. It's actually one of these YouTube series playlists, so you can watch every episode on it. But thank you guys for watching this video. See you next time right here in the workshop.